Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to do installation of Mongo database on AWS EC2. So I'll click on launch a virtual machine. So there's a demo video, so I'm going to do the installation with all the bare minimum freely available resources in AWS, but in a real environment you will be doing the installation with better resources, and also I'll do the community edition installation, but in an actual environment the installation will be the enterprise edition. So let's get started with the demo. Just to be sure that I'm not selecting any paid services, I will click on the free tier only option. So these are the OS versions I get as free option. I'm just going to select the Amazon Linux AMI. So T2.micro is the free tier eligible option I get, but normally in a production environment it will mostly be M.4 or something like that. So I'll just quickly go through rest of the options. So here in the security group, if I specify 0000, then it means it can be accessed from everywhere. I'm not going to change anything. This is just for demo purpose. I'll select a custom TCP because normally MongoDB is not listed here in the list of rules that is available. So I will select custom TCP tool, and I'll select the MongoDB port, that is 270.07, and we'll just copy it and paste it here. The instance details, well, the number of instances one. I'm just keeping rest of the things default. In the add storage, okay, I can select up to 30 GB of EBS, but I'm just going with 8 GB is not essential for me to have more storage here. In the tag, I can place some custom tags, which I'm not doing right now. So I'll just go ahead and click on launch. So this asks me if I'm going to choose an existing key pair or select a new key pair. So what I'm going to do is that I will create an new key pair, and I will just name it my Mongo, and then download the key pair. And then I'm going to select launch instances. The instance should be ready in some time. And then I can go to view instances. So I can still see it's in initializing stage. I can just wait for this to be completed. So this is done. What I need to do is select the launch instance option. I'll select connect, and from here I will copy the address and connect via PuTTY. So now I'm connected to my Amazon Linux server through PuTTY. So before I can start with the installation of MongoDB, I will do a sudo yum update just to update my packages. This is done. I'll navigate to the etc directory to create a new repo file. So I can see these are the existing repo files that I have. I need to create a MongoDB repo file here. So there's the information I got from the MongoDB website, and I'll paste it here. So now let's install MongoDB. So this is done. So MongoDB is started. And I can just type Mongo and connect to MongoDB. So there are further customizations needed to be done, like enable the service to start automatically when the server reboots, and lots of other configurations which I will be doing later. But at this moment I am connected to the MongoDB instance, and I can start working on this.